Boss airbags have many applications, one of which being is motorhomes and trailers. In this case, it's an airbag trailer. Airbags are fitted to the suspension and the vehicles are very easily driven on and off carefully, unlike that guy, and secured down, and then you can simply inflate those airbags and bring your trailer to ride height and drive off. Once you're at your destination, the process of unloading the vehicle is exactly the same. Simply deflate the airbags and the trailer lowers to the ground and just drive the vehicle straight off the back. No car ramps are tried. And another advantage of using Boss Extreme Series airbags for heavy loads when required.